Hello and welcome to the third video of Subjunctive. Here we are going to discuss the emotions. Any kind of emotion has a load of uncertainty to it. So happiness, sadness, fear, surprise, regret, impatience, disappointment, anger or admiration, all of these are emotions and all of them have uncertainties, so they trigger subjunctive. So let's look at the phrases that concern each feeling. So être content, content que, for example, je suis content que. Okay, this refers to happiness, and it is in the main clause, and in the subordinate clause you will have a subjunctive. So let's just look at all these phrases, and then we are going to give examples. Être heureux que, être ravi que, these are happiness, sadness. Être malheureux que, être triste que, être mécontent que. Disappointment and regret, all of these can be grouped as sadness, maybe. Être déçu que, I'm disappointed that, or regret, être désolé que, ou regretter que. Fear or anxiety, être inquiet que, I'm anxious that. Avoir peur que, to fear that. Craindre que, to fear that. Ou redouter que, also fear. Anger, être fâché que, être furieux que. And surprise, être surpris que, être étonné que, s'étonner que. And finally, impatience, être impatient que, supporter que. Patience, this is actually patience. So you're putting up with something that's going to happen. Okay, so for example, je suis content que vous soyez ici quand je suis malade. I'm so happy that you're here when I'm sick. Okay, vous soyez. This is subjunctive. Why? Because je suis content. Because this is an emotion. So, elle était mécontente que son mari ait oublié son anniversaire. And before we go into past subjunctive, this is subjunctive. This is the trigger. Elle était mécontent. She was sad. Okay, this is an emotion, so naturally you will have the subjunctive. Okay, and et oublié happens before elle était mécontent because the husband had forgotten the birthday first, and then she has become sad. Okay, so it's past subjunctive. Disappointment, il était déçu qu'elle ne veuille pas sortir avec lui. He was really disappointed that she didn't want to go out with him. So you have an emotion and you have subjunctive. If I want to just do this for you. Okay. Regret. Les Iraniens regrettent que le roi se sortit de leur pays. First of all, we know that sortir gets in the past form with être. Okay. And regretter is regret, and it's an emotion, so it triggers subjunctive, and this is the past subjunctive. Iranians really regret that their king exit their country, and as you can see, the king has exited the country, and now the Iranians regret. So this has happened before, so it is past subjunctive. Fear. N'étant pas prêt à jouer, Max craignait que l'entraîneur le choisisse. This is a bit of a more complicated sentence. Okay. First of all, let's get into the subjunctive. Le choisisse. Chooses him. Entraîneur, the trainer, the coach, chooses him, chooses Max. Max craignait que. So this is the trigger. This is an emotion, and it triggers the subjunctive. Craignait, fear, emotion. So we have the subjunctive. Max really feared that the coach chooses him. N'étant pas prêt à jouer, this is Gironde. And Gironde explains so many things, like things happening at the same time, or the cause of something, and so many other things. This is the cause. Since he wasn't ready to play, okay, Max feared that the coach might choose him. Let's go into anger. La maîtresse est vraiment fâchée que nous ne soyons pas prêts pour l'examen. Okay? This is just être vraiment fâché. Okay, the trigger. Both of them happen at the same time. Like, we are not ready, okay? We are not ready for the exam, and she's so angry. They both happen at the same time. Emotion, subjunctif. Surprise. Tous les gens autour du monde s'étonnaient que les Japonais se soient aussi bien conduire au temps de crise. All the people around the world, okay, s'étonnaient que. So this is the subject. Tous les gens autour du monde s'étonnaient. Were surprised, the trigger. Que, s'étonnaient que. Les Japonais, this is the second subject. So the subjects are different. So it has the condition of a subjunctive. Ce soit, aussi bien, this is an adverb. We can just get rid of this. Ce soit, conduire. So conduire means behave, okay? And since it's a reflexive verb, it turns into the past form with être. Okay, so this is ce soit, this is the subjunctif, and emotion triggers the subjunctif. So all the people around the world were surprised. So this has happened before this, as you can see, okay, that the Japanese had behaved so well in time of crisis. It has happened before. So, patience or impatience, l'enfant serait impatient que nous lui donnions un cadeau. The kid would be really impatient that we give him a present, okay? Serait impatient, this is conditionnel. Serait. So we are imagining something. So we are using another mode here, a conditional mode, but it's still an emotion. It's impatient, and then we have the trigger. So naturally, we will have the subjunctive here. The next one, je supporte qu'elle aille à la fête. I will put up with the fact that she goes to the celebration. Like, I will be okay. Like, for example, she's my ex-girlfriend and she will be here, but I will put up with it, okay? I will be okay with it. So that's that. And these two were happening at the same time, which I forgot to tell you. Alright, now you can do the exercises, translate all of these into French, and if you need any help, use the websites that I recommended to you. Just here, pay attention that they're the same subjects. She's happy to be healthy. Alright, so what are you going to use? De plus infinitif. Okay? Now, in the next video, we are going to talk about certainty and doubt. So, thank you for watching this video, and goodbye till the next one.